I've logged into the district website, and now I'm going to create my own speaker profile. I'll start by clicking Speakers. If my profile was already set up, I'd see my name here. But since this is my first time, I'm going to add my profile by clicking the Add New button. In the Add New Speaker box, type your name. I'm going to use gibberish text throughout this presentation so you can focus on how I'm entering the data rather than what I'm typing. The next series of boxes relate to Speakers Bureau. It starts with a profile, then there's a gallery of photos, programs, testimonials, appearances, speaking areas, and video. Each field has some help text underneath it. This gives you an idea of what's expected for each field. In the case of the speaker profile, 2 to 5 short paragraphs is typical. I'm going to paste some content in. The help text also includes an excerpt field as required. I'm going to copy the first paragraph and scroll down because excerpt is way at the bottom and paste it there. The excerpt field is the little snippet of text that appears when you're in a list of speakers. In this case for Dana, her excerpt is pretty short. This example for Mary is a bit longer. Whether it's short or long does not matter. It's whatever's a good fit for you. Write something compelling that gets people to click through and read your profile. The next field on the right-hand side are topics. And these are the topics that speakers are grouped in. Under each name, these topics are clickable subjects. They also appear in the right, where visitors can browse speakers by their topic. Decide which topics are good for you. The next two fields are images, and they're kind of related. One is called the featured image, and the other one is a gallery. The featured image appears when speakers are displayed in a list. The gallery are the photos that appear when looking at someone's profile. I'll start with the featured image. In this case, I need to upload a file. Click Upload, select the file, send it to the server. It's a good practice to change the title and caption to your name. This way, if you want to search for a photo in the future, you'll be able to find it. Now we're going to take a little quick shortcut. I'm going to copy the text in the URL field, and we're going to paste that in the gallery photo area. So click Set Featured Image, and it appears there. And for gallery, I'm going to paste the URL. This way the same photo will appear when I'm displayed in a list of speakers as well as on my profile page. If I'd like to add additional photos, I can do that by clicking the Add New button. The program field is if you have a packaged presentation. This is something that would help an organization book you as a speaker. If you don't have any, that's fine. If you have some testimonials, then this is the place to put them. Below is a suggested format for the content, and it gets a little tricky. It asks for regular text, then quoted text, and then the name of the person in italics. I'll show you how this works. I'm going to copy that content in the gray box and paste it. Notice the first line is in plain text, then the second area is indented, and the third area is in italics. If I switch over to the Text tab, the first set of text has no formatting. The second text has block quote tags at either end of it, and that's what formats it to look like a quote. And then the last part is an italics tag. This helps control the look and feel so your content is easy to read. If you have media appearances, place them in this box. As an example here, I've separated television from publications. Feel free to put these down for whatever works for your profile. Speaking areas are where you're willing to travel. To display the video, there's a couple steps. The first one is to copy this iframe code at the bottom. The second is click the text tab and paste the code. And the last step is to replace the X's with the video ID code. You won't be able to view your video in the backend editor, but you'll see there's a display module. The last step is to publish your profile. If you're not quite ready, you can click Save Draft. If you're ready for your profile to be published, click the blue Publish button.